Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. From matplotlib.animation, import func animation. Categories are A, B, C, D, E. Fig ax is plot subplots. Fig size of 8.5. Bars have ax bar categories, zeros frame and color sky blue. Ax set ilim, 0 to 100.5 seconds. All cision all constitute on stick says. Frame, new values. In zip bars and new values. Return bars. Ani equals func animation. Fig update frames 30, interval 500, blit false. Ani.save animated bar chart.mp4, writer ffmpeg fps2. Plot show. This animated bar chart visualizes how the values of 5 different categories, A, B, C, D, E, dynamically change over time. In each frame of the animation, new random values between 10 and 100 are generated for each category, simulating real-time or streaming data. This could represent fluctuating statistics, such as sales of different products over time, live user counts per category, real-time sensor measurements grouped by type. The vertical bars grow and shrink with each update, clearly highlighting which category has the highest or lowest value at that moment. This type of visualization is particularly useful for monitoring KPIs, showing rankings that change over time, comparing trends in real-time systems.